Hello, welcome to Smooth Nature. I got a really short video, but it's a really good information. And I was brought this some time ago by somebody. It's a Keltec PMR 30, 22 mag. So the problem was they'd done the carbo upgrades, the triggers, something else, the ramp, I believe. Anyway, the problem they were having is the first time you would pull a trigger, it would be dead. It wouldn't shoot. The trigger would pull all the way back. The hammer would never release. You pull it again, then it would release. So I've done some digging on it, and it came down to one simple screw right here. And I'm going to show you a close-up of that. It's a life-changing event. So I'll bring you in closer for this one. Okay, so right side of the gun, back here by this safety lever, there's this little screw right here. I'll point that out a little better. So the safety lever, you got the screw for the safety lever, and then right behind that is one more screw. Now if you over tighten this screw, your safety doesn't work correctly, which is what I found. I just backed it off a little bit. It was a little tight, and as soon as I did that, it would fire on the first pull. So good information to know. I tried this one first. This is on the left side. In the back, it didn't do anything. And then I went to this side, loosened that, and then it worked. So I turned it back over, tightened that one back up, and it still worked first shot. So very helpful information. You don't need to sell these unless you want to sell it to me. I'll give you $50 for it. But that's all it was. So I'm glad I could pass that on. Okay, I said short video, and it is. That's all it was. So see you next time. Thank you for watching.